Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install the XAMPP server in your machine. So you go to the XAMPP download, click on the first link. This is the latest version. Okay, so I have to click on this download. Okay, you have to wait until the download has been started here. Here it takes some time to download. Here the download has been started. So here you have the XAMPP. Go below here. Okay, this is for Windows. So here this is for Linux. This is a Mac OS. You have to choose the corresponding operating system before you have download. You have to select the corresponding operating, whether you are select for going for Linux or Windows or Mac OS, and you have to select and download them. You have to wait until the download has been completed. After download, I am going to install them. Double click on this. Click yes. Click OK. Next. Select the location as it is. It is defaultly select the location as C under C drive. Click next. Click next. Click next. You have to wait until the installation has been completed. Let's click after download. You can click start the Apache server and MySQL. Now you can hear it's working perfectly well. Now it's working perfectly well. Now if you open the dashboard, MySQL dashboard, you click on this admin. You have to wait until it will be open up successfully. This is how we have installed the MySQL server, XAMPP server in your machine. Thank you.